Hello viewer, welcome to Samuel Academy. My name is Samuel. In this video, I want to talk about the quadratic equation formula. I want to derive an expression for the quadratic equation formula. Now the quadratic equation is of the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The s power is 2, right? So let y be equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. So y is a function of x. And if we plot that function on the Cartesian coordinate plane, we shall have that curve for ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to y. Alright. Now when y is equal to 0, that's the point where the curve intercepts or cuts the x-axis at this point and at this point. That is when y is equal to 0. Because this is the value of y is equal to 0, y is equal to 1, 2, 3, like that. So when y is equal to 0, that means the x-axis, the curve cuts the x-axis at 2 points. And those values of x, where the curve cuts the x-axis, are the solutions to that equation. Alright? So we want to derive an expression for a formula, the quadratic equation formula, for finding those the solution, the values of x when y is equal to 0. So when y is equal to 0, we say ax squared plus bx plus is equal to 0. Alright? Now what we can do here, we can subtract c from both sides, because our main objective is to make x the subject of the equation. So we can start by subtracting c from both sides. So we have ax squared plus bx is equal to minus c. And then in this step, we can divide every term by a. So we have ax squared divided by a, you get x squared, plus bx divided by a, you have b over ax is equal to minus c over a. Okay, now we are here, x squared plus b over ax. Now, we want to make this expression a perfect square, right? This expression here, you want to make it a perfect square. So what we do is that we add this term here. That is half of the coefficient of x, half of ba squared. We add it here so that we shall have a perfect square. This is a perfect square. If we expand this perfect square, you'll get this. So what we do, we add half of the coefficient of x squared. So it is b over 2a squared. We add it here. We do the same to the other side because this is an equation. What you do on the left-hand side, you must do on the right-hand side. So we have added this term here and also on this side in order to make this expression a perfect square. So this one now is a perfect square. That's the way it is. It's equal to this. Alright? So we can square b squared is b squared, 2a squared is, that is 4a squared. So we have that. And then from there, we can add the two fractions, this and this. We find the LCM of a and 4a squared, which is 4a squared. a goes into 4a squared 4a times. 4a times minus you get minus 4ac plus this one goes into 4a squared once. 1 times b squared is b squared. So we have that over that and that over that. Now from there, we can put them together. Because we have the same denominator, we just add minus 4ac plus b squared out of 4a squared. And then we can rewrite it this way. We can say b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared. Okay, so we have this perfect square is equal to b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared. Alright? Now we can find the square root of this term. So you can find the square root on both sides. So the square root of this term is x plus b over 2a is equal to the square root of this term, which is plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 4a squared. Right? Now from there, we can find the square root of the denominator here. The square root of 4a squared is just 2a. Alright? So we have that numerator divided by 2a. Okay, now what do we do now? We can subtract b over 2a from both sides because we want to remain with the x. We want to make x the subject of the equation. So you subtract b over 2a from both sides. So remain with the x on the left hand side is equal to minus b 2a. So when this one comes here, it becomes a minus b over 2a plus or minus this term. Alright? And after that, we can add the 2 because they have the same denominator. So that is minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And that is the quadratic equation formula, which you can use to find the solution, okay, to that equation, the values of x, okay, when y is equal to 0. So I hope this video has been useful to you. Kindly like and subscribe also to my channel to be able to see more videos in mathematics, physics, chemistry, weather instruments, and geography.